Today I'm making a face cream that gives your skin a soft, natural glow and a toner that helps brighten and refresh your complexion. And there is one ingredient in this cream that reflects light on your skin. I will show you that in a moment. Both of those are made with simple, natural ingredients like aloe vera, cucumber, green tea, chamomile, and rose. So they are soothing, hydrating, and perfect if your skin feels dull or tired. The cream is light but nourishing, helps support the skin barrier, and doesn't feel heavy or pore clogging. And the toner is designed to gently restore your skin balance and help even out the skin tone. Let's start with the base. I'm using fresh cucumber and aloe vera. I cut everything into small pieces, place it into a clean glass jar, and fill up with distilled water. This is going to create a really soothing, hydrating infusion. I leave it in the fridge overnight, so all the beneficial compounds slowly release into the water. The next day, I prepare a herbal infusion. I combine chamomile, green tea, and rose flowers. If you don't have rose, you can use hibiscus instead. Pour in distilled water and place the glass in a water bath for about 10 minutes. This helps release all the beneficial compounds from the ingredients. While that's happening, I prepare the vitamin blend. I add sunflower oil as a base, then measure oil-soluble vitamin C, vitamin E, and squalane. Now I strain my cucumber and aloe infusion and dissolve allantoin in it. This is one of those ingredients that really helps soothe and smooth the skin. Once the herbal infusion is ready, I remove it from the water bath and let it sit for a moment. This helps extract even more from the plants. In a separate glass container, prepare the oil phase for the cream. I combine sunflower oil, cetyl alcohol, emulsifier, and glyceryl oleate. Then I place it in a water bath until it fully melted. While the oils are melting, I measure out the still hot herbal infusion. Now comes the part where everything starts turning into a real cream. Once the oil phase is melted, I remove it from the water bath and start mixing while slowly adding the herbal infusion. Both should be still hot and similar in temperature. As I mix, you can see it change into a soft, creamy emulsion. This is always the most satisfying part. As the cream cools down, I add the allantoin, cucumber, and aloe mixture and blend everything again. Then I pour in the oil blend with vitamins and mix the ingredients well. Now I add glycerin and hyaluronic acid. This is what gives the cream that deep hydration and soft, plump skin feeling. Next, I add rose essential oil and preservative. And now the special touch. I add a small amount of pearl mica. This is what reflects light on the skin and gives that subtle, healthy glow. I like to start with a tiny amount and adjust depending on how luminous I want the final effect to be. The cream is now ready. It has a light, smooth texture, absorbs quickly, and leaves the skin soft, hydrated, and naturally radiant. The glow is very subtle, but it makes a visible difference. If you are using a preservative, you can store it at room temperature for up to 6 months. Without it, it's best to keep it in the fridge and use it within a week. Now let's make the toner. I start by combining the leftover herbal infusion with the cucumber and aloe water. To get the most out of the ingredients, I add distilled water a few more times to the plant pieces and strain it again. Then I add glycerin and hyaluronic acid and mix everything well. Now a freshly squeezed lemon juice, making sure it's smooth and free from pulp, and add it to the mixture. This is what helps brighten the skin and restore its natural pH. Next, I add a citrus essential oil and a preservative. Then top everything up with distilled water. It has a pH of around 4.5. However, if you need more gentle toner, you can simply reduce the amount of lemon juice. The toner is now ready. It feels refreshing on the skin, helps bring back balance, and gives a brighter, more even look over time. It's best to use it within 1 month. Without a preservative, store it in the fridge and use within a week. And that's it, a complete brightening skincare set made from simple ingredients. I hope you enjoyed my recipes and found it helpful. You will find all the ingredients list in the description box below. And if you like this kind of natural skincare, don't forget to check my other videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye!